Now you got wind coming from that way. Look at it. Oi, oi, that wind's blowing it around.
It took off.
It's like 10.
Wow, it's really blowing it around. It took off right there.
Yeah, I don't know if I'll fly.
It took off like an elevator.
Yeah. A little plane like this. Yeah, look at that thing bouncing around. These Corsairs have a distinct sound. I don't know if it's because of the prop.
Three props?
4, I think. Just fluttering all over. Ooh. You ain't gonna trim that today. That today would have blown all over like a...
It's nosing down really
bad. Play around with it.
I did not expect it to take off like that. I was just taxiing and the wind just kind of...
Well, it takes off an aircraft carrier.
Oh, right.
They used to use this as the original for off an aircraft carrier, and then it,
so the Bearcat,
and then they, what's that one that I want to get? It's a bomber, the Dauntless. They replaced that with, they replaced this with that, and this became more land-based. Marines use this a lot. Yeah, I'm not flying it in this wind. Yeah, you want to, you keep it and then trim it out and play with it and do whatever. Get it, whatever, when it calms down.
Yeah. Whipping around up there.
Doesn't want to come down.
Yeah, because the wind.
You're gonna have to tell me the specs on those, on that King Twin, because people are asking me.
Yeah, I answered the guy. I put it on the thing.
Oh, you did?
I did. Yeah.
Oh,
10
okay.
by 7.
Oh, is it 10 by 7?
That's what I put.
Okay.
I wrote it right on there because I think.
All right.
I watched it myself and I went through the comments and I saw somebody wanted the specs, so I wrote it down.
Well, that was our maiden on the Eflite Corsair 1.2 meter. Very windy day. Couldn't really get it trimmed out well. But that's about it. An hour and a half drive up for that.
Yeah.